Imagine standing on the edge of a bustling party, peering in. You're there, but not quite. You're on the fringes, excluded. That's what we call marginalization. And today, we're diving deep into this pressing issue that affects a staggering 25% of the global population. Yes, you heard that right. A quarter of all people on our planet face some form of marginalization. Now, let's break it down. What is marginalization? It's when individuals or groups are pushed to the sidelines, excluded from mainstream social, economic, and cultural life. This could be based on race, religion, socioeconomic status, gender, or any characteristic that deviates from the perceived norm. And it's not just a problem in developing nations. Marginalization is a global issue affecting people in developed countries like the USA, UK, Australia, Canada, European countries, Singapore, Japan, and Hong Kong. The roots of marginalization are deeply embedded in history. From the legacy of colonialism to historical class systems, these historical injustices have left indelible marks on marginalized communities. But what causes marginalization? Well, it's a complex issue stemming from systemic, social, and economic factors. These include discrimination, income inequality, and lack of access to quality education and healthcare. And the consequences? They ripple out, affecting individuals and society as a whole. From mental health issues to social unrest, the impact of marginalization is far-reaching. But here's the good news. We can combat marginalization. It requires a multifaceted approach involving government policies, organizational practices, and individual actions. And the benefits of addressing marginalization are clear. Inclusive societies are more harmonious and stable. Economically, inclusivity can drive growth and innovation. So you might be wondering, what can I do? Well, everyone can play a part in combating marginalization. From advocating for inclusive policies in your workplace, to challenging your own biases, to supporting organizations that work towards reducing marginalization. As we move forward, let's remember that diversity is not just about representation. It's about giving everyone an equal opportunity to participate and thrive in our society. Together, we can create a world where no one is left standing on the fringes. So let's get to work, because a more inclusive world benefits us all.